Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the October 29th, 1929 broadcast of the WSX Evening News. This is WSX New York calling in with a special bulletin from Wall Street. The nation's financial heart has been shaken by the most extraordinary events in modern memory. Throughout the day, heavy selling has swept the New York Stock Exchange. Prices of leading industrials have fallen to levels unseen since before the war. In scenes of near panic, brokers crowded the floor from the opening bell as orders to sell poured in faster than they could be recorded. At 1 o'clock, the ticker was running nearly 2 hours late. Great companies, U.S. Steel, General Motors, and Radio Corporation have all suffered sharp declines. General Electric, once the pride of the exchange, lost more than 30 points before noon. On Broad Street, thousands have gathered outside brokerage houses, their faces tense and silent as the latest prices are read aloud from the tape. Some men shout in disbelief, others simply stare. The crowd stretches as far as Trinity Church. President Hoover has issued a statement from Washington this afternoon, urging the public to remain calm and assuring that the nation's industries remain sound. Bankers representing the major houses of J.P. Morgan and National City have met to discuss measures to restore stability to the market. Despite efforts by leading financiers to stem the decline, the selling continued through the close. Observers now call this the worst day in the history of American finance. The market has lost billions in paper values, wiping out fortunes built over decades. Tonight, financial districts from Chicago to San Francisco are watching the wires anxiously. Many expect renewed pressure tomorrow when the exchange reopens. Across the nation, citizens wait to see whether this panic marks a passing storm or the beginning of a lasting depression. Again, repeating our top story, trading on the New York Stock Exchange has ended in turmoil. Prices of leading shares have collapsed despite organized efforts by banking interests to restore confidence. This has been WSX News, New York. We shall continue to bring you developments as they are received. Until then, ladies and gentlemen, we remind you that confidence and courage are the backbone of our nation's prosperity. This is WSX, the voice of New York. Good night.